Today I want to tell you about how to insert TypeScript to our React project using Yarn. So first we can just googling create React app TypeScript like this and choose this official React app dev page. We just copy this word and open the command prompt and direct to our folder project. Okay, and copy paste, create React app, Yarn create React app. This is our name project. So we can just like my Lovia. Okay, so the important thing we have to know, we can't use uppercase in our name project name. So we recommend to use lowercase because I already tried to use the uppercase. It didn't work. So just use the lowercase. Okay. Yes, enter, and it will process. It took so long, so I will skip it for it. So it finished, and it showed that we can just use it, and if we can check it, if it's already created or not in our code editor. I'm using Visual Studio Code folder. My Lovia select folder, and we can see the source, and we have already a file with the type tsx. It shows that our TypeScript is already inserted on our React project like this. This is the first page, and this is if we want to edit our CSS. And what if we already create the React app without using the template of TypeScript, just like this? Just like this. The thing we can do is see the same page that we use for this page. There's an instruction that we can use to inserting our TypeScript to our React project. Just copy in, go to command prompt, and go to our project. Okay, and copy paste. So this instruction tell us to add package name TypeScript, types not, types React, types React DOM, and types React. Okay, we just can enter it. I think it will take a long time. Okay, if our command prompt show like this, it tells us it already finished. So we can just go to our code editor again, Visual Studio Code, and the thing is file type is still .js. So the next thing we can do is we can rename it to tsx file like this, and rename it everything to tsx. I mean .jsx to .txx. Okay, .gs again. Okay, so we already finished it. So that's enough for today about TypeScript. I hope by guidance it will be help you will insert and adding the TypeScript to your React project. Thanks for viewing my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.